dive into a system that every modern seagoing vessel must comply with, which is the Ballast Water Treatment Plant, or BWTP. On oil and chemical tanker ships, ballast water operations are not just routine. They are essential for vessel stability, trim, and structural integrity. But over the years, the simple act of taking in and discharging ballast water has had massive global consequences. And that is why the BWTP is no longer optional, but mandatory. What is a ballast water treatment plant as found on seagoing ships? A ballast water treatment plant is an onboard system designed to remove, neutralize, or destroy harmful aquatic organisms and pathogens present in the ballast water instead of letting marine species from one ecosystem to another. The treatment plant ensures that the water we discharge meets strict international environmental standards. On tankers, this system is typically integrated into ballast pumps and pipelines, operating automatically during ballasting and deballasting operations. This is how the BWT work on ships. Most modern oil and chemical tankers use a two-stage treatment process. Process 1, the mechanical filtration. In this system, the large organisms, sediments, and suspended particles are filtered out as ballast water passes through fine mesh filters. This not only protects the marine environment, but also prevents clogging in downstream equipment. Process 2, which is disinfection stage. After filtration, the water enters a disinfection unit. The most common technologies include 1. The UV ultraviolet reactors, which damage the DNA of microorganisms before discharging the water. Method 2, the electrochlorination system, which generates disinfectant from seawater itself. 3, or the chemical dosing systems, depending on the ship's design. No matter the technology, the goal is the same: to render all aquatic organisms non-viable before the water is discharged. On tankers, the system is fully monitored through the engine control room with alarms, flow meters, TRO sensors, and a complete log of all ballast operations. Why is the BWT now a mandatory requirement on ships? For decades, ships unknowingly transferred invasive species globally. A single ballast tank of water can contain millions of microorganisms, larvae, and pathogens. Some of these species survive the voyage and aggressively multiply in foreign waters. destroying fisheries, clogging waterways, and disrupting entire marine ecosystems. This became such a global threat that the IMO Ballast Water Management Convention was enforced. Today, all new ships must be equipped with a compliant BWTP. Existing ships have been phased into mandatory compliance through surveys and retrofits. Every tanker must carry a ballast water management plan, a record book, and an operational BWTP at all times. At all times. It's not just regulations, it's environmental responsibility. As marine engineers, we now safeguard not only the vessel, but the planet's marine biodiversity. So, what role do engineers play on board in terms of the management of the BWTP? For us in the engine room, maintaining a BWTP is a matter of discipline, from ensuring proper filter backwashes, monitoring the UV intensity or the TRO levels, to keeping accurate records. Our actions directly impact compliance and environmental safety. A small mistake can lead to major fines, failed port state control inspections, or environmental contamination. Precision is key. This is Master Engineer Fix, giving you a deep marine engineering clarity, one system at a time. Stay sharp, stay confident, and keep the world's oceans safe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next. And please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and follow us. See you.